Hey guys, this is your man Saulius, back with another adventure, and today is like no other. Let me take you on a ride over the European countryside and let us adventure together. I will be updating all of this on work travel, and if you ever intend to visit any of my locations, you can just have a virtual stroll there on my landing pages. Also, don't miss out on our YouTube videos as we upload a lot of such adventures. Okay, now you can enjoy. Did you know that scenic train rides are considered one of the most relaxing ways to travel? In fact, according to a recent survey, more than 60% of travelers say that a train journey through breathtaking landscapes tops their bucket list. But have you ever experienced one for yourself? If not, then no worries, because I am here to the rescue. Let me just take you on my adventures. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Last week, I went on an unforgettable journey aboard one of the most scenic train rides I've ever taken, and I can't wait to share it with you. We went to Lopaičių, Pažintinis, Takas via different cities and towns, and you will see my entire journey. From charming villages to sprawling natural landscapes, this train took me on a visual adventure like no other. We traveled through 9 towns and cities, each one more captivating than the last. I had my Google Maps timeline on to track every stop, and my social media was blowing up with posts as I couldn't resist sharing the views with you all. It was a week filled with wonder as we passed through, capturing everything from serene lakes to misty mountains. If you've been following me on Facebook, you've probably seen some of the sneak peeks I posted, but today I'm giving you the full experience right here. Now, while this journey was magical, it wasn't without its challenges. The weather had other plans. On the day of our departure, the skies turned gloomy, and I was starting to wonder if we'd even get to see any of the beautiful views I'd heard so much about. Delays were another thing. We faced a few due to the weather conditions, and at one point the train even had to stop for nearly an hour. But to be honest, these little hiccups only added to the adventure. It gave us all a chance to get off the train and explore a little more than planned. And then finally, we reached Lopaičių Pažintinis Takas. This place is not just beautiful, it's mystical. As soon as we arrived, I could feel the serene, almost ancient atmosphere settle around me. The trail winds through forests that seem untouched by time, and the energy here is something else. You can almost feel the history beneath your feet, like you're walking on sacred ground. As I walked through the trails, I learned that Lopaičių Pažintinis Takas is known for its ancient Baltic pagan mounds and its rumored energetic points. Some people say they can feel special energy in certain parts of the trail, and honestly, after spending time here, I can see why. There's something undeniably calming and spiritual about this place. As we finally settled into the journey, it was like the world opened up around us. The train passed through some of the most incredible landscapes I've ever seen, from towering mountain ranges to peaceful rivers reflecting the morning light. I spent hours glued to the window, soaking it all in. One of the best parts was the stops along the way. Each small town we visited had its own charm. We made a stop at Tuzas, Baltic Petroleum, and many more. I even had the chance to explore the local market. The air smelled like fresh bread and the streets were filled with laughter. It was such an authentic glimpse into life there. Another amazing part of this journey, the people. The train wasn't just full of tourists, locals were riding too, and I got to hear their stories. I met a fellow traveler who was heading to visit family after years apart. We ended up talking for hours, sharing travel experiences and life stories. Without a doubt, the most unforgettable moment of the trip was when we turned a corner and suddenly, there it was, the view I had been waiting for. The sun was setting, casting a golden glow over the landscape, and the train was just the perfect frame for this masterpiece of nature. It felt like time had stopped for a moment. Everyone on board was silent, just staring out the window in awe. I even saw a few passengers tearing up. It was the kind of moment you just don't get every day, and it made every delay, every rainy minute, completely worth it. As the journey came to an end, I couldn't help but reflect on everything this trip had given me. Scenic train rides are about more than just getting from one place to another, they're about the journey itself. Whether it was watching the landscapes change, meeting new friends, or getting caught in a rainstorm, every moment was special. If you've never been on a scenic railway, trust me, you're missing out. So, work travel's doing its best to encourage you to travel, and don't miss out on any of this. Just be patient, and we will make it more easy for you to travel. All you need to do is show us your support. So what about you? Have you ever experienced a scenic train ride that took your breath away? Let me know in the comments. And if you haven't already, check out my other travel vlogs for more adventures like this one. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.